Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Geneseo's channel. Today's video is mind-blowing and well detailed. Yes, that's why I wrote it there, full training on SHEIN importation. So many people, SHEIN is just like a new oil well now. So many people are into China, Bangladesh, Turkey, but now we've got into SHEIN. So SHEIN importation is amazing. Remember, SHEIN importation is not just it's not fairly used. Yes, it's new. So and one thing about this video is I'm not just going to be telling you about SHEIN importation. I will also be unveiling the contacts. Is this not amazing? And guess what, guys? Not just the WeChat contact, because so many people doing this are just giving us WeChat contact, and most of us don't have a WeChat account. And you know how WeChat is these days. Some people cannot even achieve their own WeChat. Some people cannot even register. Some cannot even don't even have a WeChat account, and they are interested in all this. So that's why I've also researched and gotten a genuine WhatsApp SHEIN factory. Oh God. So you need to watch this to the very end because you don't know where exactly I'm going to be placing this. So I will be unveiling this and also with the SHEIN importers. I'm talking about factory price on I'll be giving you their WeChat contacts, and I'll be giving you WhatsApp. I'm not giving you something not legit. Over legit, they worry them. So you are free to get as much as you can. And one beautiful thing about SHEIN importation is you get 100% profit. Is that not amazing? Just for when I talk about 100% profit, like for example, you get something of 600 naira and you're selling of 1.5. Exactly. So it's 100,000. Is 100% profit. So you are getting more than your. So it's super amazing. Just imagine, and the worst part is they have beautiful things. SHEIN is just like mixed products. For example, just like how you see okrika or tree, but this is new items. Guess we hope you understand that. So it's not okrika, it's not tripped. So this is new with package. I'll be showing that you see. I'll be showing it how it looks like on the screen record. So you'll be seeing it on my screen right here. So it's new. You'll be the one to open it yourself. So it's super amazing. You can get it and also resell. It's super amazing. So if you're looking for something to make profitable business with, then consider SHEIN importation. It's super amazing. So I'll be sharing with you the contacts there. And one thing about SHEIN importation is they go with MOQ. Yes, you can see some of the suppliers will tell you you can only buy 100 MOQ, you can only buy 150 MOQ. So, but when you get it, it's super worth it. It's super. As you make profit. When I say profit, you make huge profit. So if you're into especially if you're into fashion, if you're into wear, because they have mixed wear, they can mix sweater, they can mix gowns, they can mix pants, they can mix trousers, they can mix jeans. It's mixed. So it's super amazing. But the thing is, the content I'm giving you, they're giving you quality ones. There's nothing like any mago or anything. So let me, before without wasting much time, I'll just be dropping their contact. So the WeChat contact, when you talk about WeChat is just like a WhatsApp platform in China. That's what they use. They use it as WhatsApp. Here, in China they don't use WhatsApp. So you use WhatsApp here. So just like WeChat is just like their WhatsApp platform over there. So I'll be dropping their WeChat account. So when you just see the WeChat account, all you just need to do is to do what? Copy it, and not just copy. You need to go to your WeChat. If you have a WeChat account, just go to WeChat search and put their name there and search them. So that's why you need to be looking at the WeChat so that you see the exact picture, example what they're seeing on the screen. You see this person, you add it up, the name, add the person up, and chat the person up. Hello friend, I'm interested in this. How do you sell? She will tell you everything you need to know and the pieces. Then you contact the person. They use yuan. Yuan is China currency, so you can pay in yuan. You can pay using Alipay. If you have Alipay, you can pay using Alipay. They give you the Alipay account. They also give you their WeChat account. Some can also pay using WeChat Pay. So any of your choice. So, but I also be, for those that don't have WeChat, I cannot verify their WeChat, I'll also be dropping a WhatsApp contact of SHEIN importers. That's factory. So keep watching. Don't forget to watch till the end. And if you're just joining us, why not subscribe? hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share those videos so others can see this and start a good business. It's super amazing. All right, guys, I'll be dropping the contacts right now. So I'll be dropping it and also be explaining it with my screen. Thank you. All right, guys, as I said earlier, so I'll be showing you the WeChat verified account of everyone so that sells the SHEIN. I'm talking about the factory. So the first person I'll be notifying to you is this Louisa. I'll be showing you her contact. As you can see, I've been buying from her, I've been chatting, so it's not something. So let me just highlight it so you can see her main chart, so you can be able to, yes, this is her. So you can, I want to view, so you can see her name. Good. This is what I want. Have you seen it? So you can write this down. Pick your pen and paper. Right, this is her WeChat ID. This is how she looks like. This is her WeChat ID, Loisa. So just once you go to your WeChat, go to search icon, write down this WeChat ID, search. You will see her there. Add her as a friend. Chat her up and say, hello friend, I want us to be friends. So send her a friend request. So she will accept it and you guys start chatting. Now you can see her moments. Moments on WeChat is just like when you're updating your status on WhatsApp. So you can see our moment. Let me just click on one of our moments. So you see, these are the things when I talk about. See, you can see nice shoes. Can you see that? New nice shoes and stuff. You see that? So can you see that? This is amazing and it's super cheap. You make 100% profit. Without wasting much time, let's go to another of their item. They also sell, so okay, look at another shoes, different types. Can you see nice quality shoes? They sell shoes, they sell clothing. SHEIN importation is very lucrative, guys. So this person is legit. Now look at what I'm talking about. So you can see it, kids, SHEIN kids. It's not a cracker. These are new, well packaged in nylon. You can see that. So what are you waiting for? Look at it, SHEIN kids. Go ahead and make your own orders and start selling massively. So let's go before. Okay, now look at it again. So these are our moments. So I'm not telling you this is WeChat. You can see that. So if we go to another contact, this is our first contact. She's on WeChat, not on WhatsApp. Alright guys, let's go to the second contact on my list. Second contact on my list is yes, the second contact. So here they can send you their Alipay ID to pay. They can look at it there. That's Alipay, it's WeChat Pay. So anyone, so you notify them once they pay. I just want to show you how this is our own ID too. So you just go and type in this WeChat ID and boom, you're good to go. Super amazing, guys, super amazing. So hop in and make huge amount this 2024. Don't waste time. So if you also need a shipping company that is that is affordable, just write on the comment section that I should help you with a shipping company contact that is affordable. Yes, and when you're doing this, you don't use A. You know what I mean? You use C shipping because A is very quite high, and what you're buying is going to be very heavy. So you need to use C so you can make that profit very massive. So now let's check. Don't forget to write it down. This is another contact. This is a WeChat contact. Now let's check her moment so you see what I'm talking about. You can see that. Is this a network or what? So you can see her moment. You can see her moments. Yes, see, someone just transferred to her 120,000. Oh my God, can you see? So she's legit. The contact and see, she just pinned this. So when you buy it from them, you have different designs. You have different designs, Can you see that? Different designs. They don't just sell one design. Be seeing different pattern, different types. So that's how this video won't be too long. You can just see, look at them loading it. So see that. So she's legit, 100% legit. This is another WeChat account. So I've just said two right now. So I'll be showing you the next one. Yes, see how it is. So it's not something. It's legit, guys. 100% legit. 100% legit. You can see satisfied customer. If you see, this is satisfied customer. I just received. You see, that's so nice. I just received today. Can I order again? 10K pieces. That means 10,000 pieces. So she's legit, 100% legit, guys. I don't want to just make this video to be too long. Let me just show you another contact. Let me show you another contact. Okay. Oh, this too is okay. Let me just quickly go to the WhatsApp. I said for those that want for those that want that don't have WeChat, don't worry. I also have a WhatsApp legit SHEIN importer factory price for you, so you can chat her up on WhatsApp and negotiate. All right, guys, let me just go to the WhatsApp. This is WeChat, don't forget. Let me now go to the WhatsApp. And I just dropped two legit. Let me go to the WhatsApp to drop the last one. All right, guys. So at this point, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for now? Look at me giving you this legit contact. Once we give you WhatsApp on, these things are this contact. Do you know how much to pay one for it? I'm giving it to you. They apply a lot of code free. So why not just give me an exchange, subscribing and liking this video so others can also see it. All right, guys. Let me quickly go to the WhatsApp now. Yeah, guys, this is the last contact I'll be dropping. This is not WeChat, this is WhatsApp. So for those that have not ever is not able to, if you're not able to verify your WeChat account, then worry no more. I have WhatsApp for you. So you can see this Judy SHEIN factory supplier. This lady is 100% legit. So you can feel free, open 24 hours, feel free to shut her up. Yes, you can see her. Let me show you how. You see, this is our store. This is how SHEIN looks like. This is how SHEIN. You can see it. It's packets. It's packaged. It's not okreka. So get ready, guys. Chat her up. Go through her. So now let me just. This is highlight her phone number for you guys. So just go ahead, click right plus then add, and boom, you're good to go. You chat her up. So all right, guys, that's all for this training. So, and again, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so. And also watch my other videos. I also posted previously, the last time I posted video on how you can ship from China to Nigeria for free. Not only from China to Nigeria, from China to any country for free shipping. You know how dollar rate is increasing this period, so you just need to just for free, you cheap. So go and watch that video and make money, because this 2024, we are going to make it massively. All right, guys, don't forget to like this video. See you in my next video. Love you guys.